Okay, this activity is going to be using a manipulative. It's going to be using a racket. Now, I know a lot of people don't have rackets at home or tennis balls or the space to have a tennis court, but we're going to use some of the skills, just the basic skills that we use in kindergarten, first and second grade to kind of practice with this. Now, if you're lucky enough to have a racket at home, this is a badminton racket. This is a racquetball racket or a tennis racket. They're all going to work the same. And even if you don't have a racket, you can make one at home. Here I made one using a ruler, some tape, and a paper plate. But they're going to work the same exact way. You're going to take what's called a handshake grip. Whenever you take a racket, it's like you're shaking its hand, you're going to hold it like so. So when you hold it upwards, your thumb and fingers meet towards the ceiling. And when you do a backhand, all those fingers are facing the floor. Okay. Now, if I'm going to use this racket, what you're going to do is you're going to take a balloon. If you have one at home, great. You're going to take it and you're going to practice hitting it forehand, backhand, back and forth as many times as you can. Now, I'm using this one. This is more ideal for kindergarten, maybe some first graders. But if you want more of a challenge, you want to use a smaller balloon. Okay? And this one's going to go a little faster. So this one's a little bit right in the middle between of that yellow balloon and a real tennis ball. This is probably designed for more second graders, and you can use both. Okay, but again, look how I'm just flipping it over each time like I'm flipping over a pancake, keeping my eyes on the balloon as it strikes the paddle. Okay, and don't worry if it hits the ground a few times. If it does, just scoop it back up and use it. All right, but I'm just keeping the same hand grip, the handshake grip, as I'm using both sides of the racket. Okay, that's it. Try that one if you can. If you don't have a racket, you can also just use your hands too. Okay.